you have any crazy high ticket 1K plus? I mean, right, high ticket, you can do a lot of high ticket stuff. I mean, the biggest store on Etsy is actually something to bring up. Let me try find it. Give me a sec. So this is Allura. So the biggest stores on Etsy by revenue. I'm trying to remember which one it is. Actually, no. I mean, this is a perfect example. Actually, the average price of the listings is $488. So they're doing high ticket. I mean, $500 is classed as high ticket, right? So this is the perfect example where they are selling incredibly good stuff, right? It's high quality items, 14 karat gold, 1.5 carat, like diamond ring, engagement ring. But people buy this stuff off Etsy, right? They've done 137,000 orders. There's so much opportunity to go for really expensive stuff on Etsy, just like this right here. Like, look at this beautiful store. But we see right now, you can see that it's doing $1 million in revenue last month, and that was a bad month for them. In December, they did $2 million last year in December. $2 million in a single month on Etsy alone.